It all comes back to identity and belonging.
Belonging, yeah.
But underneath identity and belonging, there's something that we don't talk about, and it comes down to power. It comes down to power. I mean, I think what we're witnessing is power over's last stand.
And that's what I love. You write about how I think most men who come from this place feel like power is only one person or one group can have the power, as opposed to we can spread the power throughout the world.
Like it's a pepperoni pizza.
Right.
Like if I give Lewis a little power, I'm going to have less, so make sure I'm comfortable giving it to you.
Right.
When it's not.
Don't give any slices away.
Don't give slices away. Hold all the. And so what we see around the world right now, not just with this administration, but globally, is we see the concept of power over making a last stand. And it is not going to work. What is going to work moving forward with the completely devastatingly difficult problems we have at hand is power with and power to. Power with each other, collective power. The things that are killing us right now, we're not going to solve by ourselves as a nation. They're global issues. We need global solutions. We need everyone at the table for them.
Yeah.
But that is a really, I mean, we are at a huge turning point in history that should not be minimized or misunderstood. I mean, for the first time ever, the problems that challenge us the most are problems that will not be solved with national solutions. They are global problems that require global solutions and collaboration. And for a lot of people, that's really scary. Hard. What about us? What about me? You know, and last stands, you know about last stands. Last stands are violent.
Yeah.
Last stands are fueled by desperation.
Whatever it takes.
And fear and whatever it takes. And
risking it all.
Risking it all. And so what you're seeing right now are people risking it all. Showing up at these marches with freaking tiki torches. I mean, like, it's not even started around the Polynesian, how the Polynesian people feel about their tiki torches. But I mean, like, with tiki torches, basically mimicking the Ku Klux Klan.
It's so crazy.
But without sheets. This is power over's last stand. And these folks are nostalgic for a time that never existed.
Where they thought they had the power.
What they're interested in is, it was so much better back then, and what they're not saying is when people knew their place. And so it's going to get harder.
If you had a message to give to our nation's leader, what would you say?
Roosevelt said that the presidency, above all else, is a place for moral leadership.